Kapag sinearch mo yung best samgyupsal in poblasyon, isa na kagad to sa lumalabas. Hey Jorelskis! Laging may pila dito sa Burn and Mimi kasi maliit lang yung place at very straightforward lang yung menu nila. So pagka-order mo at pagka-upo mo, nagsaserve ka agad sila ng soup. Okay naman yung soup nila. Then they will serve sauces tsaka yung banchan. They are using charcoal for their grill. So for sure, they should be good. Highly recommended to get their galbisal kasi ang ganda ng meats. Marbling pa lang, alam mo ng quality agad yung mga meats nila. Hindi pala to unlimited ha at sila yung magluluto. So hindi mo na paproblemahin yung pag-grill ng meats mo. And so first bite, promise, it's heaven. Almost melts in your mouth at malinamnam. But the way how to enjoy it is to add it on the lettuce, add the spring onion salad, add also some kimchi and sauce, then garlic, wrap it, then one big bite. Ay, ang sarap niya, grabe. Nag-order din kami ng samgyupsal or yung pork. Clean, thick cuts at maganda rin yung pork nila. I think downside lang dito is konti lang talaga yung serving pero quality talaga yung meats nila. I don't know, kakaiba talaga yung meats nila, not the usual samgyupsal. At talaga naman mapapa-extra rice ka or mapaparami ka with that lettuce wrap. Meron din pala silang sinaserve na sweet potatoes na kasabay niluluto ng meats. Okay to end your meal, yung may pagka-sweet and smoky taste. Kaya kung gusto mo ng quality samgyupsal, check mo na tong Hole in the Wall restaurant na Burn and Mimi. Sobrang legit. Cheers!